Carrier, I'm rolling for takeoff in the new Presidential Concorde.
Abort immediately! That's a new jet designed for transporting the president at supersonic speeds.
Exactly. Not every day you get to test fly a supersonic Air Force One.
Spirit, that jet contains classified presidential technology. Turn back now or I'm lighting you up.
Spirit, stop this madness before you create an international incident.
Shoot me down? Once I hit Mach 2, you won't even see me on radar.
You're not even gaining altitude. This is going to be a disaster.
Relax. Engaging supersonic mode, and we're climbing.
The president just asked if you're available Monday. You're hired.